So the next thing we are going to do is this this bar chart here. So to do that, what we have to do is let's go to add a chart and column charts. So let's put this here. Okay, so this is giving us total sales by store location. So let's see if we can change this to total sales by total quantity. Okay, the sales store location. Okay, so this will be showing us the. So if you see, this is quite different from here, from this. So this is just showing us the total sales by. This is just showing us the total sales, okay, by total quantity. All right. But for this, I just wanted it to be something different. You can see we are having total sales, total transaction quantity, and store location. So as you can see, this is Hell's Kitchen. For total sales, it has over 240. Then this is for total transaction quantity. All right. So let's just go here and reduce this. Okay, let's just say Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I just wanted this to be, yeah, I just wanted it to be bigger. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. All right. So this polo is actually looking quite cool, but we have to stick to the brand. All right. So let's just go here and say style, right? So let's go here and change this color. So let's turn this color to this, right? And let's turn it to something a bit darker. So let's use this and see what we have. All right, so let's see how it looks. Okay, I think this is not looking bad. It's not looking bad, right? Or we can decide to make this color a bit darker, a bit lighter, I mean. So we can just decide to make this a bit lighter. So we can decide to go for this. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, this is still not bad. This is still not bad, but I would just prefer leaving it this way. All right. So let's just leave it this way. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully done this, right? So, okay, Control C, right? So we have successfully done this. Okay. So the next one we have to look at now is the next one we have to look at now is the other one. Okay, I think it's perfect this way. So the next one we have to look at is this. All right, this. So that's the next ones we have to look at. So to do this, we just have to go to insert. Then we scroll down to rectangle. Then we just make a rectangle for this then. Alright, so let's just take it here. Then let's bring it down a bit. Then let's take it to the middle. So let's see if we can duplicate this, right? So we just have to copy this and paste it. Alright. So we just paste it here and okay, this is looking okay. It's not looking bad. So let's check the distance between these two. So let's make it a bit wider. Okay, so let's delete this. So let's copy this and paste it and see what happens. Okay, so this is looking okay to me. But regardless, I would like to reduce the space a bit. So I have to delete this and copy this and paste it again. Okay, so this is looking better. It's looking better. So let's arrange them and see how that goes. So, all right. Okay. So the next thing, let's work on this. So let's go ahead and say add charts. All right, add charts. So I want us to look at, okay, this is, let's look at product category versus total transactions. Okay. So this is the total transactions for each product category. All right. Well, let's change this to product type and see. Okay. Product type and see. So this is now showing us the total transaction for each product type the coffee shop has. Let's go ahead and reduce the and then we can go ahead and change the colors. Okay, so let's go ahead and increase this. Go ahead and increase this. Right. So we can go ahead and style it now. I feel this is better. Okay. So we can go ahead and change this to, let's turn this to 16. Then let's change this to quicksand. Okay, so um let's go down. Let's change the color. All right, we can change it to this. Okay. Then the next thing we have to do is, okay, I think let's change this to quicksand too. So I think these are the major things we actually need to do. Okay, so these are the major things we need to do. So let's turn this to do not show. Okay, so I think this is looking okay here. So this is actually looking okay here now. Okay, so this is looking okay here. So the next thing we are going to be looking at is this. All right. So this is what we are going to be looking at next. All right. A line chart. Okay. So to do that, what we have to do is let's go here and add a chart. So this will be a chart here. Okay. So as you can see, it has automatically visualized this for us. So there's nothing much we have to do here. Let's make this a bit smaller. Okay. Alright, so let's just go ahead and style it up. A little line. It's just better. So we can just turn the color to this for uniformity. Okay. So the next thing we have to do is, okay, right. So let's just change this to quicksand for uniformity. We'll change this to quicksand also.
I think that's all we need to do for here. All right. So as you can see, we have successfully created the visuals. Okay. Now the next thing we need to look at is this. All right. This is the next thing we have to look at. Let's check why that's active. Okay. So this is the next thing we actually have to look at. Okay. Okay. Indeed. All right. Now to do that, let's just go over here and let's say insert a table. Okay. A table. Then let's just try seeing how we can reduce this. And we can reduce this a bit then. How we can make this a bit slow. Okay, so we just have to go ahead and style this. Um, sure, like this one. No. Okay. Let's change fonts to quicksand. Let's try reducing this 12 and see. Okay. Let's make that 10. I think that looks too small, so let's leave it at 12. It looks better this way. Okay. I think this is looking much better. Okay. Then okay. Right. So let's change this to quicksand. So let's take this down. Hold on. Okay. Then take this to 0, decimal points. So let's make background color white. Okay. It's looking much better. Then let's change let's turn this to black. Okay. Well, let's make it coffee color. See how it looks. Okay, that's looking good to me. Okay, let's say do not show. Okay, header font color. Then okay, so I think this looks okay to me. So let's this a bit here. Then let's go up here. Can we make this bolder? Okay, let's make this bolder and see what happens. Okay, so it's kind of it still looks cool. Then let's try moving this down a bit. Then this a bit down. Okay, I think this looks better, a bit better. Okay, so this thing. I think so. What else do we have to do? I think the next thing is this over here. This over here. Okay. So let's just go. over here and just like before, insert. Let's check. It's not okay. Map, geo map, slider. Insert this here and say, okay, I think this is looking. So like I mentioned, we must not use exactly the same information. The visuals must not be the same over there, but the designs is just what we, it's just all that has to be the same. Okay, so let's do bonus category. Okay, let's do photos quantity 1 to 8. Now let's check for total, see total sales. Sales. I actually wanted to check for product side. Okay, product category, that's invalid. So I think this is what I would like to leave it as. So let me just take this here off. So let's just go ahead and style this. Then let's just leave it at fixed size. Let's change this to quicksand. Actually, let's turn this to coffee and see what happens. Okay, it's not looking bad. Let's turn this to coffee and see. Okay, so let's see where it's, I think white is better. Okay, so I think that's all for now. So as you can see, we have actually successfully redesigned this dashboard using Lucas Studio. All right. So this was the dashboard we are trying to redesign. Okay. This was the dashboard we were trying to redesign. So we have successfully redesigned this dashboard using Lucas Studio. All right. So if you have any questions, okay, or you have any feedback, don't forget to leave your questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.